Greetings, fellow globetrotters and adventure enthusiasts. If you're eager to explore the world without the hassle of visa applications, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to unveil the 10 countries you can travel to without a visa. Imagine jet-setting to incredible destinations with ease and no visa restrictions holding you back. But before we dive into this passport stamping adventure, make sure you're subscribed and that notification bell is activated. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the incredible travel opportunities we're about to share. Are you ready to discover visa-free havens around the globe? We're not just scratching the surface here. We've delved into the world of international travel regulations to bring you the ultimate guide to the most accessible destinations. Imagine the joy of discovering new cultures, savoring local cuisine, and creating memories, all without the visa worries. And guess what? We've saved the best for last. Our number one pick is a true travel gem, offering not only visa-free entry but also a plethora of enriching experiences that are sure to make your journey unforgettable. But before we dive into this exciting countdown, make sure you're subscribed and have the notification bell turned on. Trust me, you won't want to miss the incredible details and stories we're about to share. Ready to explore the world's most cherished treasures? Now let's dive in. 10. Singapore. Our adventure kicks off in the futuristic city-state of Singapore. With its impeccable cleanliness, vibrant neighborhoods, and efficient transportation, Singapore offers visa-free entry to many nationalities and welcomes travelers to its unique blend of cultures. 9. Malaysia. Venturing to Malaysia, we explore a country known for its lush landscapes, diverse cuisine, and historic sites. With visa-free access for many travelers, Malaysia invites you to immerse yourself in a world of natural wonders and cultural treasures. 8. South Korea. Our next stop takes us to the dynamic South Korea, where modernity meets tradition. With visa-free entry for short stays, you can explore the bustling streets of Seoul, savor Korean barbecue, and experience the K-pop craze firsthand. 7. Thailand. Moving to Southeast Asia, we land in Thailand, a paradise of golden temples, bustling markets, and stunning beaches. With its visa-free policies for many nationalities, Thailand beckons to adventurers seeking an enchanting blend of adventure and relaxation. 6. Ecuador. Our journey shifts to South America, where Ecuador awaits with its diverse landscapes, historic cities, and Amazon rainforest. With visa-free entry for various passports, Ecuador offers a wealth of experiences for the intrepid traveler. 5. Morocco. Stepping into North Africa, we arrive in Morocco, a land of vibrant souks, ancient medinas, and Sahara dunes. With visa-free access for many tourists, Morocco invites you to get lost in its enchanting labyrinthine streets. 4. Indonesia. Our fourth spot takes us to Indonesia, an archipelago of tropical paradises. With its visa-free policies for short stays, Indonesia opens its doors to Bali's beaches, Java's temples, and beyond. 3. Costa Rica. Venturing to Central America, we uncover the natural wonders of Costa Rica. With visa-free entry for many tourists, Costa Rica's lush rainforests, diverse wildlife, and adventure activities are at your fingertips. 2. Philippines. Our penultimate destination brings us to the Philippines, an island paradise of stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant cultures. With visa-free access for various passport holders, the Philippines offers a tropical escape like no other. 1. Maldives. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our top spot goes to the Maldives, a true haven of luxury and natural beauty. With visa-free access on arrival for many travelers, the Maldives offers an idyllic retreat with its overwater bungalows, azure waters, and breathtaking marine life. Conclusion. There you have it, fellow explorers, our guide to the 10 countries you can travel to without a visa. From Asia to the Americas, each of these destinations invites you to embark on an unforgettable journey without the visa barriers. If you found this countdown inspiring, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow wanderers, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting travel insights and destination guides. Until next time, remember that the world is yours to explore, and visa-free adventures await you at every corner.